up to another good morning. Time to go. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 We are all looking for adventure.
Good day everyone. Now I said that I was going to give you a quick video on this new GoPro case that I've got. Now I've got a GoPro Hero 7 Black and it is a great little camera. However, the downside to it is to use an external microphone, so for obviously the best sound you need a GoPro adapter, which is the rectangular gizmo on the right hand side of your picture. So in the middle we got the GoPro 7 camera and the proprietary GoPro case. Now the new case that I've got, the aluminium case, it's obviously gives it a lot more protection. So obviously it's aluminium, it's stronger, and it has a storage bay at the bottom for the microphone adapter, and also at the top, also on the top it has a cold shoe adapter to actually mount the microphone, whereas the proprietary adapter does not have that. Now the instructions for the aluminium case for putting it together really weren't that great. I've just sussed out how to do it and I'm just going to run through how that's done. So here's the pieces of the case. Now the first piece we have is obviously the case itself, and on that case as well it also has, you can't really see it, but it's got a little UV filter, which is very handy. Protects the lens of the GoPro. Now the second main part of it is the microphone adapter, and that basically screws onto the bottom of the case, like so. Now what we need to do first of all is we get the microphone, the GoPro microphone adapter, and there's the actual GoPro itself. So what we do is we get the GoPro microphone adapter, and it needs to go that way round inside the case. So we take the case away from the camera and just fit it in. Then we have two longer hex bolts, and what they do is they go into just in the bottom left and right hand corners. There are two holes. Now all they do is you just put them in like so, and then you use the Allen key just to screw them in. So that's the microphone adapter fitted to the case. Now we're now going to spin the case over, and on the back of the case we have a little sliding adapter. And so now what we're going to do is just going to fit the camera into the case, and then we've got a little lock down that just keeps the camera in place, and then we just slide. It's quite tight, but it goes on eventually. Just slide the back on just to keep the camera in. And then in return, we can just then plug the microphone adapter into the side of the camera. Okay, so now once we've done that, we're going to fit the cold shoe adapter, and that just sits on top of the case like so, and with the nut, sorry, the bolts, is just screw that in. like so. And then we will do the same for the tripod or the mount adapter. Again, 2 little screws. And we just screw it to the bottom of the case. And there we go, the adapter, the mount adapter is now fitted to the bottom of the case. And we're pretty much ready to go. And there you have it, the GoPro fitted to the new case with the microphone attached to it, which is, like I said in the previous video, is the Boya MM1 mini video microphone. And I'll leave a link to that video there of why I bought that particular microphone. But there you go, you just need to try it now and see what results I get. Now, the advantage I find of using I use my phone and the GoPro is size and convenience, and it means you don't have to carry a lot of kit around with you. So I hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Oh, we are all